Hello and greetings. On this video, I'll show how you move your Ether wallet blockchain over to an external hard drive. And what we're going to do is we're going to move the executables as well as the actual blockchain itself. Here's my browser. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to search for Ethereum. I don't know why I keep on calling it Ether. It's Ethereum. You'll see right here, Ethereum project. So click on that. And towards the bottom, what we're going to do is click on see all versions. Click on that. And then obviously if you agree to their policy, their warnings and so forth, go ahead and click on sure, I understand and agree. And it will take you to the GitHub, to their GitHub. What we're going to do on the Linux, we're going to download this one. I'm going to be doing the 64-bit, so I'm going to download the zip file. Not the DEB, I want to actually just download the zip. So click on that. And I'm going to dump it on, oops. You can see I have an external drive, so I'm going to click on that. And yeah, I'm just going to dump it on there. So I'm going to dump it onto my external. So I chose the external. And there it is, downloads complete. Let me clear my history. Then I'm going to open a file explorer. Right. So if I go here, you'll notice that here's the Ethereum. I'm just going to extract it. So extract, and yeah, that's fine. So now I can actually see this is the actual package right here. I'm going to rename to Ethereum dash wallet. Okay. And here's the executables and so forth. What I also need in here, actually, you know what? We'll create a new folder. And what I'm going to do is move the wallet in here, or the executable. And here it is, okay? But I'm also going to I'm going to open another file explorer so I could actually show you what happens. Okay, so what I want to go to view, show hidden files, and you're going to be looking for a Ethereum, excuse me. On a Windows computer, it's actually under your username and app dat and roaming. But here I'm going to go ahead and cut this. So I'm going to right click and say cut. And I'm going to dump it back in here. Okay. Now paste it. You notice like nothing shows up, right? I pasted it. But that's because I have to go to view and show hidden files. And there it is. Okay. So, and the file manager that I'm using is the Caja, C-A-J-A. That's the one that I'm using. The default that comes with Mate. So here's the actual files. And if you go in here, you'll see the blockchain, the keystone, and so forth. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, remember I cut it. What I'm going to do is actually create a link to my home folder from here. So to do that, what we're going to do is open a terminal. So let me bring over the terminal here. Okay. And I'll try to set it up so we can actually see it at the same time. Okay, that should be good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go here to my external hard drive because it's going to be the easiest thing. And double click on here. I'm just going to copy this, okay? And how you create a symbolic link is LN space, and it's going to be a soft link, so it's going to be -S. And then I'm going to paste what I just copied. So I'm going to right click, go to paste, and here it is. Here's the link to the entire to the drive. Then I'm going to do a space, my home folder, /, and I'm going to copy this. .Ethereum. Okay, and we're going to see that populate right here. Now you can actually see the file right here. Okay, if I double click on it, you'll see that that's there. Now, when I execute this, it's actually going to link up. What I'm going to do is go back here to the actual external hard drive. I'm going to go to the executables, and here it is right here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to open a terminal here. That way I don't have to retype anything. I mean, it's going to take me straight there. Okay, so here, if I do an ls, you'll notice that here is the Ethereum wallet, the executable. It's going to be / Ethereum wallet, hit enter. And now mind you that this is actually executing from the external drive, not from the actual hard drive. Even the blockchain is on the drive itself. And here it is kicking in. It's going to just check that it's linked up and that the blockchain is actually valid. So now you can actually see it's kicked in, and here it is. Here's the actual Ethereum wallet running from the external hard drive. Now on this, it could be literally a flash drive or whatever. I mean, if you're gonna do a flash drive, get maybe a 128 gig drive flash. That would, maybe you could have one for Ethereum, or you could have one for Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, you're gonna need more though. For Bitcoin, they're around, I want to say right now, 2018 January, it's around 170 plus gigs. So get a bigger one. So that's why maybe on an external hard drive you can make it work. Yeah, other than that, all that good jazz. Subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.